Hey guys, Alex here, AG Automotive, and here today we're having a look at the 4K Drivevision dashcam. Alright, let's check it out. So Drivevision have sent me out the 4K dashcam, the 2K rear camera, and a 256GB micro SD card. So let's check out what's in the box. So in the box you get the 4K front camera there, you get the hardwire kit, and I just wanted to point out they've actually hardwired it straight to the fuses there, so you just plug them straight into your fuse box nice and easy. And you do have the 12 volt power plug, you've got the rear camera, you've got the user manual and the electrostatic sticker for the front, you've got a trim tool and a cleaning cloth. You got the 64 gig card that comes with it. I've also been sent out the 256, and you've got the electrostatic sticker for the rear. Alright, let's go and install. Okay, so we're just putting the electrostatic film. Just going to put that up there. Alright, next thing is the 4K camera. So I've pop that piece on there, and we just got to line it up and pop it in the middle there. Let's make sure that's quite solid, which it is. Alright, let's wire it up. So into the app there, you've got front and rear cameras up the top, and you can turn it to full screen there, and you know, it's very, very clear. Back to the menu there, you've got speed, you've got your current, altitude, total altitude, and your accrued speed. You've also got GPS mode there, so they use as Google Maps, which is nice. And bottom left, you go into your videos there. And you can see them all pop up there, and you can easily access them, either download them to your phone, or you can take the SD card out and pop it in a computer. You've also got snapshot, locked, and your parking modes there as well. And you've got a whole heap of camera settings there, like sound recording, video resolution, loop record duration, things like that. Alright, let's go and check out some footage. So we'll jump into the footage. We're going to have a look at the front and rear cameras, both day and night, and wet weather, and also the parking mode. Now I just wanted to point out, with this particular camera from Drivevision, so you got 4K, 30 frames a second. You do have a Sony IMX335 sensor as well. You got maximum SD card capacity of 256, and you can power it via a USB-C, or you can hardwire it. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Alright, thanks guys.